Hello guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have a many colorful of toys here. See, all are brand new, many colorful of toys. Wow. So friends, at first I will introduce all of my toys with you, and next I will hand drive all of toys with my hand. So let's go. At first is a momentum true car. See, this is momentum true car. This is nice color combination. See this color. This color is white, paste, pink and orange color combination. And next one is a V2 racing car. See, this is nice model and color combination V2 racing car. See this color is white, yellow and blue color combination also. Next one is a army helicopter. See, this is a army helicopter. Wow, this is nice color combination army helicopter. See this color is gray color, green color, black color and silver color combination. And next one is a hand car. See, this is a hand car. See this color is red, white, paste and pink color combination also. Wow. And next one is a big size under construction mixer machine. See, this is very big size under construction mixer machine. See this color, this full body color is red and this mixer drum color is white and yellow color combination. And this wheel is black and white color combination also. Wow. And next one and last one is a loaded Tata truck. See, this is loaded truck. Wow, there is a car. Wow, there is a car. See this truck color is green and red color combination. Wow, there is a driver. See, there is a driver. And this wheel color is black and white color combination also. So friends, all of my vehicles introduced with you, and now I will hand drive with my hand. So let's go. At first is a momentum to car. Wow. Wow. Friends, I reached my parking place. So I parked here. Next one is a V2 racing car. Wow. I reached my parking place, so I parked here besides momentum 2 car. And next one is a army helicopter. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And next one is a hand car. Wow, friends, I parked besides army helicopter. And next one is a mixer machine. Wow, friends, I parked besides hand car. And next one and last one is a sea-loaded truck. See, there is a racing car. Wow. So, let's go. Wow, friends, I parked beside mixer machine. So, friends, my all of vehicles are hand drive with my hand. So I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.